All right, our first port was Hilo, which is also known as the Big Island of Hawaii. It's very confusing because there's like 4 more islands that are all Hawaii, but this one is the island of Hawaii, right?
The Big Island. Nobody calls it Hawaii.
The biggest by land mass, not by population. I think it's like 400,000 people live on this island or something. So we met a couple in a Facebook group, and they had a car rental, a Jeep, and an amazing itinerary booked, and said they had room for 2 people, and we were like, hey, let's hop in. Why not? Beware.
Beware of thieves.
There you go. You are here. So, do you remember where we went? If you could try.
Okay. We first went to Volcanoes National Park.
Yep.
And we saw it's technically an active volcano, right? It's an active volcano.
Wasn't super active when we were there.
Right. We saw smoke.
Yeah.
There was smoke. But we saw that. That was great. After that one, we went to Rainbow Falls. Is that right? Or was there something in the middle?
No, that's right.
I think we we drove over to Rainbow Falls, which isn't much of a hike at all. It's just kind of an overlook, but a pretty waterfall. Definitely a pretty waterfall. After that, where did we go? Akaka Falls, which is also technically a state park.
Yeah. That was cool.
So pretty.
Had to walk around. It's like a nice loop. You see the waterfall, and then you got to go in these caves.
Oh, those are the lava.
The lava tubes. Oh yeah,
lava tubes. That was different.
Lava tubes was at the Volcano National Park. And very dark. I don't know if the video turned out for anything, but it was cool. That was one of those things where your eyes probably saw it way better than any camera would. And then Akaka, whatever it was, state park. That was very cool. And then we went to a black sand beach, which was my favorite part of it. I just thought that it was really cool. Like it felt like a different, I don't know, like the color, the texture, everything about it was like super unique and fun.
We're not used to the black sand. We're used to more light white sand beaches. So it was definitely cool to see like the volcanic sand.
And then we went finally to one more waterfall, kind of walked around, experienced that. It was really cool. And what time is it now?
Beer 30.
Beer 30. The absolute mother load. Let's go, bro. 24 waters. What more could you need? Oh, una cerveza. Come on, hurry up.
I can't. Heels and a martini and the shit's rocking.
You'll be fine. I did not bring my drone because you're not supposed to have drones on board. We got it on the ship, and that was like step number 1. But every time I have to take it off, I risk losing it when I bring it back on. They're gonna just confiscate it and then give it to me at the end of the trip. But we really want it for future, uses. So I'm taking the wings off. We're gonna take it off tonight and see what happens. But yeah, we did not bring it. It would have been a very pretty place to have yesterday. What was your overall thought of like the day, the hike? It
was good. We saw a lot. We did a lot. It was very cool, very nature-y. Yeah, just something different than we usually do. We're big boat, catamaran water
Swam.
people.
Yeah.
So it's different, and it was cool to have that experience and just see some things you've never seen before. So I'd give it. It was a good day.
Definitely.
A good day.
Hilo, beautiful, 8 out of 10. Then the rest of it, we're now in Kauai. Then we're in Maui. 4 days at sea. Raiatea. Bora Bora, Moorea, Tahiti, flying home. So busy next couple of days, but
Got a lot ahead of us. So.
yeah, cool. We'll see you on the next video.